we are looking at how to pronounce this irregular verb. We'll be looking at how to say all other most commonly used irregular verbs in English, so stay tuned to learn more. The base verb is to give. Give. The past tense or simple past is pronounced as gave, gave, gave. To give, gave, as in I gave him a lolly yesterday. Gave is the past tense. The participle is given, ge, a short e sound here. Given, stress on the first syllable. Given, as in you have been given an English lesson. Given, overall, give, gave, given, give, gave, given. And now you know, here are more videos to learn all the other most common irregular verbs in English. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.